Good day, ladies. I'm glad to be with you this morning and welcome to Diversity Management and Consulting Limited. My name is Bibiana Butaku, the CEO of Diversity Management and Consulting Limited. We are going to be talking about something very important to all of us today. That is about one of the components, one of our projects on the economic empowerment of the woman and the girl child. This time around, it is mostly about girls, who we call biz girls, that's business girls. These are girls who have been able to set up their businesses and the businesses are struggling. And we have thought that we can provide them with coaching and mentoring to get these businesses to start flourishing. And the name of the component is Coach and Mentor a Girl to Thrive. What does this mean? It means that with coaching and mentoring, these brave young ladies will be able to transform their challenges into opportunities to grow and to thrive. Why not? By the end of this session, you'll be able to properly articulate your business model canvas. You'll be able also to analyze your operations based on the 9 components of your business model canvas. You'll be able to explain your business's strategic operations targets. You'll also be able to present your business based on the strategic operations of the business and the schedule that you use to implement the activities within your strategic operational model. And you'll also be able to properly present the monitoring and evaluation framework that you are going to use to accompany you to properly implement this program. For you to attain these objectives, you have to be able to present your business model canvas. You are going to examine your business plan within the next 1 to 5 years. You are going to look at your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats with respect to each of the 9 components of your business model canvas. And you are going to be able to present your business's strategic growth targets, strategic actions, and operations. And you are going to present and properly understand your monitoring and evaluation framework. The tool that you are going to use for your business model canvas is these 9 cubicles that you have before you. You're going to be able to complete them, populate this model, this template. So if I ask you, how will your business that you know very well today, based on the operational model that you have, how will it be like from now between 2 to 5 years? In 2 to 5 years, where do you see your business? This is an example. For somebody who is into a business like mine, who am into consultancy, I can say that my business will be a world-class consultancy. I can say that my business will be the best in CEMAC. I can also say that my business will be able to attain a certain level where I'm actually dreaming that it will be. That is, that it will be like a beacon to all other consultancies within the region. This is a tool that you are going to use to diagnose your business operations. That is your business strengths and weaknesses and your business opportunities and threats. You are going to do this for each of the 9 components of your business model canvas, which you had in the last slide, all the 9 cubicles, each and every one of them. For example, customer relations, for example, your sales, for example, your revenue streams, for example, what activities your strategic partners, and then the key collaborators, you are going to diagnose for each and every one of those. We will provide you the coaching, we'll provide you the source of the information, and you're going to search for the information, and with our coaching, you're going to be able to do that for your business. This is the worksheet that you're going to use for your business operations diagnosis. Within this worksheet, you can see each of the 9 components of your business model canvas. You're going to diagnose the strengths, weaknesses, the opportunity threats, and then the strategic actions that you will take. to address each and every one of the weaknesses and how you're going to consolidate the strengths, or how you're going to capture the opportunities and implement them, and how you're going to perhaps even transform the threats into opportunities, or how you're going to overcome the threats. This arrow presents to you how your strategic development plan looks like. Actually, what this means is you have your vision that for each and every one of you, either you have it properly articulated, or this is the opportunity for you to be able to do it, or coach you to be able to do that properly. And then your mission will also coach you to properly define your mission. And then your strategic goals will coach you to properly identify or define your strategic goals. And then your strategic objectives will coach you to be able to do that. By the time you do this, you are able to have the tactics that you are going to use to implement the activities for your strategic operational plan, that you break down the 5 years, for example, into 5 operational plans, and then you have a calendar to implement those activities that you are going to define by yourself. Your strategic operations plan will look like this. This is meant for implementation. For example, if you need to update your value, which you should after the diagnosis, then you have the objective, update of your value, the activity, you define what activities you are going to implement in order to update the value. Let me say, for you to update your value is like to take into consideration some of the needs of your customers that you didn't have in view before. Maybe it is like work on the pricing. Maybe it's like to divide your activities into bundles according to the customer's ability to pay. That will enable you to update your value. And the resources required. What resources do you need in order to update your value? The resources will be what you need in order to implement this activity, which is human resources, financial, material, maybe even improvement in your networks and what have you. And of course, you need to say who is it that is responsible, and then you have to say what the duration is. Remember, it has to be SMART, which means specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, within a time frame that you would have defined. One of the most important tools that you will need for the implementation is the monitoring and evaluation framework. This monitoring and evaluation framework helps you to be more focused, helps you to be proactive, which means this tool has your plan activities. You have to identify them in order to be more specific and more concrete. You have to define the indicators that you will use to be able to implement this activity or to monitor the activities. And then expected outcomes. What is it that will happen for you to say you have attained the objective? And then also achieved outcome. So expected is what you targeted, and then what you achieved is you have to measure it and then compare, see what the gap is, and it will be time for you again to refresh and then see what is it that you need to do in order to close the gap between your expected outcome and achieved outcome. Don't be worried, we'll be with you every step. Remember, it's coaching, it's not a class. So we tell you how to do it, and then you do it by yourself. And if you encounter any difficulties, you turn to us, we explain again, we advise, we coach, and then you do it by yourself. We are at the end of the program, the presentation of the program. Remember, you have 1 month, and during 1 month, we are going to accompany you all the way. And at each turn of events, you yourself, you do the monitoring, you do the evaluation, and then get back to us. We'll expect to get feedback from you. That feedback is very important for us to be able to help us also to improve on our program. And then the next steps now is we want to see your action plan. Draw your action plan, send it to us by email. We'll be working mostly remotely, or give me a shout through WhatsApp, or we schedule another face-to-face. You just need to send me a text message. Thank you very much.